Hello guys, my name is Ashish and welcome in today's video. So this is my first video I'm making how to drive, and this is the key. This is the first lesson I'm making. We're gonna make a series soon, so hopefully you enjoy, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. So this is the first lesson for anyone who is trying to learn driving, and let me close my door so the audio would be better. So here we have key, and usually you will have some fob or something where you can place it, but this is, in my car, you can just place it here and it should be fine. So first thing first is, like, safety is important, and in driving, when we talk about driving, the main thing is your patience. So to start the car, the first thing is this start stop button. So when I press this, the battery gets connected with the car, and in usually these ones I have to press my clutch to start and then press the button. The car will just start. This is a manual and my handbrake is here. So this is right now on a handbrake, and when you start driving you should know the controls. This is the first video as a learner's driver, so I'm making. So the right hand side is my accelerator, this is my brake. So we always try to use my right hand fit for both of these pedals, and my left hand goes to the clutch. So whenever I press the accelerator, you see the revving going on. Okay, and this is my gearbox. You will see usually the numbers here. So in this one you have 1 here, second at the back. For reverse it says R. So when I press this, you have to either lift it up. In different cars you have to press it down. In this one sometimes it's like all the way up, or sometimes the reverse is at the back. So it depends on every different car what you have. So in this one, if I have to press, I will have to press like this, then you would see the reverse camera gets on. So that means I'm on reverse now. Now if I press the clutch, press the first one, that means my car is in first gear, and you will see that this is still the handbrake sign on. I will remove the gear and it's still on red, so that means my handbrake is right now on. If I press my clutch, put the first gear on, the car gets, now I am actually able to move the car forward. Now before moving the car forward, let me put it back into the handbrake, and now my seat belt is on. So first thing, when we start driving, what do? First, check your car, all the blind spots and everything, that there is no one around you. So when you start driving, you're not going to hit anyone or something like that. Okay, the first thing you're gonna do in a manual car is to practice some clutch control, because this is where most of the people are lacking. And this is very important when you start driving in a manual car, as this is your first lesson. So we're going to practice only some of these clutch pedal, so that once you get comfortable with it, we can start moving on the road. So we're not going to go forward outside. I'm still in a parking lot here. So we are going to just practice some clutch and focus on some movement, like if the car is moving when I press my clutch. So I'm not going to use my right leg here. I'm just going to use my left hand side, put my car into gear. I have to press my brake to get my park pedal off. Now my legs are on the brake. Again, one thing, I'm going to look around. No one is around, as I'm on a parking lot. I know there is no one around, so I'm going to put my car into first gear, and I'm going to slowly remove my leg from the brake and slowly going to release the clutch. See, my car started moving a little bit. You will see what I have just done is only practice the clutch pedal off, taking my leg off from my clutch pedal. That's all I'm doing, and my car is moving. If I take all of it off, my car will start moving. So now my clutch is off and I am moving. Okay, I'm recording with my second hand, which is not a favorable thing to do. Now I'm gonna take a turn around it, and I'm gonna go back into the position where I was before, and I'm gonna move my steering straight. I'm still taking my clutch off, so I'm gonna press the brake here again. I'm gonna start, put the first gear on again and remove my clutch. I'll give a little bit of race this time so my car starts moving. The thing that you're gonna do when you start is, usually you would not be able to have good control in the clutch, and you might see that you release the clutch very quickly. So if I have to show you what you're gonna have is, I put my first gear on, and if I remove my clutch very quickly, this is what you're gonna have. So the thing happened is, I removed my foot very quickly from the clutch. Now to start again, I have to press this, so my car started again. When you practice it, it is possible that you start moving a little bit like this, and then if I release it quickly, it again did that same thing. Okay, so this is what we have to avoid, and we're gonna start our car again. Now when I put the car into first gear again, I'm gonna release it. Halfway through, my car is still not moving. I have done this movement and my car is not moving at all. So I'm going to take a little bit more off. Now when I feel that my car started moving a little bit, you see, that's all. So that is the movement. I have to control my clutch more precisely. So I'm still haven't taken my leg off from my clutch. I'm still on this point, which usually can say bite point or half clutch point, whatever you want to say. It's usually at the half point, so I can control my car just by that. And same thing for the reverse. So if I have to press, I'm into reverse now, my car is going to move back. My car is going to move back. Now if I remove my leg from the clutch, it's moving at the back. See, we're going back now, and we are almost here. I have to press the brake so I can park precisely. When I'm controlling, I'm just looking at my mirrors and my camera. So, and I also have sensors which are gonna tell me when I'm almost parked or when I'm nearby to the back wall, you see. So if you don't have that, I'm gonna use my mirrors or this mirror to precisely see how far I am. Okay. And this was like a first beginning lesson when what to control and how to control. We should also know some of these controls before we start driving, like these are our lights control, wiper controls. So this is if I push left, that's my left indicator is on. If I push up, that's my right indicator is on. Okay, if I have to turn on my lights like going high beam or something, that's my high beam. If I have to press that, you see that blue line going on flashing, that means my light is like that. Now if I turn my lights on, it's different, cars have different thing, and this is my lights are on now. My lights controls are here, fog lamp, rear fog lamp and all that stuff. Right hand side I have my wiper controls. I can move, this is automatic sensing, this is for the wiper. If I press this, it will clean up the glass. Okay, so this is the horn, this is like infotainment controls, this is like your phone controls if I have to take or answer any calls and something. This is my cruise control. Here I can set up the speed and just put it on. So before you sit into the car, you should know some of these points, and usually most of them you will see that this is basically a windscreen wiper, as in you will see this. Sometimes this thing is on the left hand side, this thing is on the right hand side, depends which car you're driving, and in 99.9% of the cars your horn is in the middle and you will see this sign over there. Okay, for the fuel, how to check if how much fuel is in the car, you will see some level and this symbol that will show you how much fuel do you have in your car. Rest, you mostly will have your radio controls or your climate control things over here on your left hand side. Don't need to worry about this stuff, and that's your AC vents and all. So when you get familiar to the car, these things are easy to understand. The main thing is for the first person when you're a beginner is to practice your clutch. The only thing you have to do is keep your clutch halfway and then start removing as slowly as you can, and that is it. Okay, when you change your gears from first to two, you again have to press the clutch and do the same thing. So hopefully that was it for the first lesson, and we'll make a lesson 2 soon. So do subscribe and press the bell icon to keep the new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Drive safe. Peace.